is reggae music, man, from the island of Jamaica. Full speed, everybody, come in. Full speed, we said. Push it. Now I want you to hear this. Bass line. Now I know in America you guys do the bump and grind, you know? But you see in Jamaica, we just grind. No bumping. Not true Rasta. You see the Rasta and love the woman and too. So last year, you know, take care of the kings. And the kings take care of the queens. See? This is called a rubber dub. Ladies, are you with me? Here we go.